Okay, here's a. This is last year's model, you think? So this thing is in the bushes.
Yes, but we can get it out of the bush.
Oh yeah. Oh, holy cow! And now once the snow's gone, huh?
The dog's in there.
Right.
It's an Oldsmobile.
Suicide doors. See the suicide doors.
The steering wheel's just like brand
Oh,
new.
look at that. She's a saver. Nice. Oh, look at that roof.
Look, what now?
I said, I love that roof.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, that's nice. That.
Customized.
Yeah, it's got. Be pulling that
Did you
down.
ski this winter?
Hardly any bondo. Oh yeah, the whole pillars.
No, it's been a couple of years actually.
Ford.
Yeah, not really quit. I mean, I went around the house a little bit. Went up on Boulder.
Floorboards. I see a transmission.
Oh no, I went up around the house, just hiking. And
Or no, back with bell housing. No
Helped the kid out,
transmission.
my granddaughter out
Engines in
front,
it.
going up, up a little hill and things like that. Haven't been up to the mountain for a couple of years.
Well, I went to Red because they let me ski free.
Here's
Oh wow.
guy giving it to me. A neighbor.
Wow.
I think the front axle was over there too somewhere.
Yeah, parts and pieces.
Well, yes.
Oldsmobile, huh?
Yep.
Huh.
And then you obviously can tell what that is.
Are you talking about that piece of metal over there?
Yeah. I mean, that's
well,
obviously
yeah, that's the piece that goes over there.
one that's missing from somewhere over here.
Over here, right.
That's got a nice oil filter there.
Straight 8.
It's too bad that two of the plugs are broke.
It's a straight
It
8.
is a straight 8.
Oldsmobile straight 8.
Yeah.
Straight 8. Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, straight 8 cylinder. It's Oldsmobile.
What year do you think it is?
You know, I don't know. Is there a plate on the firewall? Well, it's a piece of yard art, if nothing else, huh? It'd be fun just to get it out of here. I think this over here is the front end. What year? Oldsmobile straight 8. No grill. Oh yeah, she's rough. She's rough. The hillside, I don't know if you can tell how steep this is, but it's hecka steep. What year are you thinking?
I think it's before a 39.
Before 39?
What do you think?
Yeah,
I don't know about that.
I'm not much on my Oldsmobile or that kind of thing. Straight 8. Oh, we got this right here. Oh yeah, I think so. It's dark in here. Yeah.
I'd say it's newer than 35 Yeah, newer than 35 and
No way. A bullet hole? Oh, that's hard to believe.
Well, the way it's in here, I could see mistaking this for maybe a muley.
Right, mistaken it for
So
a nice
probably,
big muley.
right, they probably just got in here and were confused. Well, oh my gosh, what did I do? I never.
I didn't know they had that kind of herd in Oregon.
Wow, I was impressed. I said, wow, astronomical for me. I mean, I can't even imagine seeing 700 of any animal.
Yeah.
Anymore.
Well, I sure wouldn't mind living here. Look at this guy's view. Very nice guy too, very good people. Look at that view he's got. Isn't that amazing? Huh. Deer and elk, birds, all different kinds of stuff. Very nice place. Yeah, I wonder where I'm gonna get turned around. Well, guess I'll park it here until I figure out where I'll turn around. So there's the Jewel.
If we get up there in the yard, we can get some gravity working for us at least.
There you go. That'll be nice. I'll take some pictures of this because I put it on.
Well, you'll want to turn it into insurance.
Well, yeah, it's an insurance. Yeah, it's an insurance thing. I was thinking somebody see this on the internet and they're gonna want this. They'll probably come over from the East Coast or something and.
I imagine.
Yeah, it's
the pickers.
Yeah, pickers. Yeah, this is a piece of lawn art, if nothing else, and pretty nice. Barely any dents. You know, I mean, the hood, everything's like brand new.
Look at those rings on those valves.
Right. Yeah. See this valve train and everything. You know, this thing's gonna fire right up. Yeah, I'll do a first start on this for sure. First start in 80 years.
Yeah. Oh, let's fast that up. Let's see. 39.
Okay, she's on the trailer. Not an easy task. Nice, huh? In good shape. Heck yeah. Here's the one for you. It's on the springs. If I had tried to keep it on the springs, it never stayed. But we'll see when I get it home if it's still on the springs. I don't even have it tied down. That strap right there is the only thing on it. We'll see. Huh? Yeah, she's pretty rough. Pretty rough, but I think it'll make a good piece of yard art. Yes, that's an excellent piece of yard art. And I have a feeling my neighbors are not going to like me. Anyway, ain't about making friends with the neighbors. It's about collecting old rust. And this is going to look real good. This should look really good on my on the property line, I think. Yes. Old Oldsmobile, 39 Oldsmobile. And if you don't have one, I bet you wish you did, because I got one. Funny stuff. Anyway, get the gates closed here and get out of his hair and see if we can't get it home and off the trailer. Yeah, you know, if I had the money, I'd ship this up north to old Scott. Cold War Motors up there. You can just whip this back into shape. But, I don't know. Always wanted to own a straight 8. I just don't think it's going to ever run again. I guess we'll see. Huh. Okay, so I just pulled off of that road right there. You can probably barely see the fence from rescuing this nice piece of yard art. And there's another one right up here. I just can't see it, but I know it's there. Can you see it? Right here. Alright, I don't know if you can see it yet or not, but there is a vehicle. Ooh, it's on its side. No engine. Not even sure what it is, but it can't be no worse than the other one. Can't even tell what it is. It's on its side though. Huh. Front end still in it. I guess we'll have to come back and take another look. See what it is. Okay. Here I am out hunting the old rusty metal again. And here's what do we got here? An old, it's a Model A, Model T, but we got a frame. An old frame and everything here. Okay. Some frame going on. Oh yeah, feels pretty solid. So the frame, oh, looks like we got a block. Oh yeah, that's a block and a. What do we got here? Oh, another 6-cylinder, huh? An old 6. Oh, there's the frame for my rat rod. Axles here. All right, what's this thing? Maxwell. Maxwell, huh? What do we got here? Another body by Fisher. Let's see you get in. Huh. Yeah, old 6-cylinder. Oh yeah, probably no first start on this one. Distributors there. This frame, that's interesting. Front end here. Yep, there it is. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a straight axle. Okay.